Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove home address on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove home address on your Google Maps application, first open up the Google Map on your phone, and after opening your Google Maps interface on this after opening your Google Maps application on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture or your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this interface appears you can see the option where it says your data in maps just above the settings. Tap on your data in maps and this kind of interface will appear, and if you scroll down guys, you can see just below here is your home and your work addresses. Now in order to remove your home address on Google Maps, tap on the home button over here and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to remove your home address on Google Maps, you can see the remove button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the remove button over here and that address will be removed as your home address on Google Maps. From over here, simply go back and your home address will be cleared out from your Google Maps application over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to remove home address on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.